Well, that's stupid. I seriously was like, I don't know. What's back here?
Huh. That's something we probably should have immediately noticed.
Hello?
I guess you have another path to go down if you want. Uh-oh, you gotta find other buttons.
Button? Why can't I go
There's
up?
there's a hook shot up there. You got it!
I like how I could not hit that one.
That's not on the ice.
Oh.
Oh my god. This is kind of painful now.
Okay, that's stupid.
I think you do have to hit them.
It just doesn't make sense.
What?
Okay. I'm getting really confused. Okay.
Just mash the X button once you start, I guess. Oh my god!
Okay, that works.
Okay. Done!
Even
No
though
more.
I don't think that was the way it was supposed to be done, but okay.
Screw it!
Yeah.
More ice!
Okay. Hook shot, but what's down here? Okay, I guess we'll just throw it.
Just money, I guess.
Okay, I'm cool with that. Okay,
Oh! Insta death?
Oh,
And you're back here now.
okay.
Hopefully you don't have to... At least you don't have to hit the switches again. Hopefully.
Okay, I guess not.
Oh my god, you do. What?
So why did I not hit one of them?
Oh my god. Oh my god, that was less painful.
Don't ask me how that worked, but okay.
That has a lot of range, apparently.
Yes. That's insta-death as well?
I guess. Fun time!
I got this. I got this.
No, you don't.
I do. Why would you jump that way, idiot? No! No! Okay, right here? Yeah. Go. Stop shooting your fucking ass blasters and...
I love ass blasters.
Just jump. It's not that hard.
We're in the last one.
Okay, whatever. Go this way.
Just picture how much better math blasters would be with ass blasters.
Yes. Okay, well, I don't care.
I'd say avoid the ammo at this point, because the last time it killed you.
I really didn't know that that was insta-death, or even would kill me. Not what I wanted, but okay.
Kinda hard to gauge the distance on that, too. This is actually kind of scary.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Huh.
That's a button.
Where?
Right next to that narrow ledge.
Here? Oh.
Wait a minute. Double tap crouch quick. Okay, it seems to be a bit slippery, but looks like you got better ground control, but you probably could float through and fly most of this through double jumping. Yeah, you gotta have to touch the ground.
Why did I have the blaster? I wanted my swing shooter. Okay.
At least a checkpoint! That's nice!
Yeah. Okay.
At least I realized how much of a dick move it would have been to go all the way back from here. Hey, another guy.
Oh, I thought he was pointing that gun at his head. Like,
yeah.
Oh, heck.
Is there a problem, sir?
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts, would you?
no.
Yourself.
These dang rocks are too tough. I keep breaking my drill.
Oh.
Rock is raritanium.
Let me look at that drill.
Well, shoot my dog and call me Sally. Thanks, partner.
No problem. I suppose I could take that rock off your hands, too.
Heck, here you go.
Oh, we got the raritanium?
That resolved itself quickly. I was almost expecting to have to pay something.
I guess he's just a worker and doesn't know the value of the rock. Okay, so this was an optional path then.
Yep. Hey, we can go pick up that hypno thingy now.
Where? Oh, yeah. In the sewers or whatever?
Yeah. There's probably something you can jump off over there on the other end of that.
I can go out the other? Oh, yeah, okay. I thought it was encased all the way around. Okay.
Oh, you jump right off and the ship's right there.
Whee! What's that thing? Okay, I can't make it to it. Oh, I wanted to, because if we made it, we could have jumped to that.
You can jump to that other thing.
Yeah, and then found a gold bolt. So now we go this way to these guys.
You completely destroy it with just your wrench.
Yeah.
Avoid the other guys that completely destroyed you when you were using just your wrench. I guess we can just follow the path?
Well, this is the way for these guys, I guess. hell?
You earned a skill point.
What's a skill point?
If you get enough, it unlocks cheats.
Really?
Yeah.
So,
Congratulations, you did something that had nothing to do with the actual main game.
what's that thing? I want to kill it. It looks like it.
Nope, just there to make you think you're doing something.
No! Stupid.
Well, time to venture on with your 1 health.
I can do it. I got a skill point. It means I'm good.
Hey, ammo.
Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
You're dead.
I still got a skill point. Are you proud of me?
Notice, you lost your skill point.
Oh, that'd be stupid. Ow. Ow.
You just got your shit rocked. That was 5. Oh, you really just lost it here.
Why? Go fuck yo. Go. Woo! Oh, look at us. We're stupid little abominable. Stop it! How do I do that?
Bad thing is you're kind of stuck there when you throw it.
Really?
Wow!
They shoot
That
me.
not one got hit by that
Because they shot me. I guess.
in midair.
There. Idiots.
Okay, so you can either go up or to the left.
I'm gonna go up to get the high ground.
Oh my god. God.
Why does the auto go off to the side?
I have no idea.
Stop hitting me! Oh my god. Yeah, that's what I like.
At least there's still health.
What am I at? Okay.
So you're doing better so far, this one.
Just go for it. Okay. We'll go up here. Okay,
Or
we
not.
won't go up there.
And now we go up there.
Yes. Okay. Give me life.
To be or not to be?
That's actually what was in my head.
Leap of faith?
Okay.
Oh my god. Another water level for you.
Yes. So I'm guessing we'll put water in here and this will float up.
I guess. Yep, there's the water thingy. Might as well look around first and see what's all here.
Take the water from there and go put in another one, I guess.
How is this not insta-killing you like the other water?
I don't know. Hey, wait, what's in there?
nothing. It's...
Oh, it's a wall.
Oh, wait. There's an upper. God damn it, camera. Oh my god. This is like bad camera of Legends. Isn't it?
No.
Unless there's actually nothing up there, it just happens to make a bubble. Yeah, it looks like it's just nothing up there, it just happened to make a bubble there.
Okay.
There's a floaty.
The platform. What's that, a button?
I think you have to find more water and raise it even higher. You're playing the water temple from Ocarina of Time.
Yay. I swear I hear saying like power.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
Or those slug guys. Yep, there you go.
Give me the water. Yay!
Okay, so do you think they plan around this natural water formations? Or did they actually forcibly move all the water into these locations?
I don't know.
Because that is a good question.
We.
I mean, sure, yeah, it's a game, so they can do whatever they want, but still.
Okay.
There are some questions that we can ask.
This-
Like, why the hell are you not grabbing that ledge?
All I want to do is that. The first time I did that, it just did a little
And
side.
it's just more water.
Yay! Okay. And... Hello, Super Saiyans.
Super Pooper Scoopers are only legend!
Yeah. We. Okay. Bolts.
You did it all for 3 volts. No, that's where you got the water from. But there was another...
Yeah, no, I actually didn't know that if I was in there or not. So I'll go in here.
That totally wasn't just a way to fill up disk space, was it?
Yes. Okay. And it literally did nothing for us.
So far.
Hey, I got some bolts, damn it. This way?
I guess.
Super Saiyan Pooper Scooper.
More Visibombs.
That's always nice.
They're literally just going back and forth.
Kind of a conveyor system is that?
Not a good one.
Doesn't seem like it's really productive. Give me your coins. Oh, for some reason I thought it was like opening.
Hey, bomb gloves!
Yay! Whee. I just like all the coins.
I mean bolts.
Yeah. Why do
I mean
keep...
rings. No, I mean Pikmin.
Yes, the Pikmin.
I mean Gil.
Oh, snap.
I mean Zenny. I mean any other currency from game, not that. Get the hell out of here, get the hell out of here.
Oh, yeah.
You have 1 health left.
It's okay.
And that was bullshit.
Oh, what's in here? Oh, God. What the? Yeah, run away.
Okay, I saw health down the path a little bit.
I'm scared.
It's too far.
I'm so scared though.
Oh!
Of course! He's hiding right there
Okay.
on the side.
It's only this far, so you can just bolt down the one path at least.
Yes. Let's go get the rest of that movie. Alright.
Ammo!
Yeah. I hate those little guys. They're so evil.
Seeing the result right here. Nice trap,
Yeah.
I guess. Yeah, that's what I like to do. Look a dynamite barely a foot away and shoot it.
That's what I do.
And even more health right here.
Oh look, we're almost halfway there. Hey, getting excited to go purchase that. Have you ever purchased all of them?
All the health?
Yeah.
No.
Who are you?
Hey, buddy, what's shaking?
Oh my goodness. Aren't you just a little...
Sister of those two guys?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm a little robot.
You're funny too.
Yeah, but looks aren't everything.
You be nice.
Oh
I
snap.
think I got something special for you. How would you like a hydro pack upgrade?
That would be quite helpful for swimming underwater.
Whatever.
Sure.
2,000 volts.
That's
There
right.
you go, sweetie. You look so handsome.
Thank you, miss. Your craftspersonship is excellent.
If you two are through,
Jealous?
You come back and see me any old time.
Oh, she went down.
You're
Yay!
Clank almost got action with a real person.
Swim against currents.
Okay.
It lets us swim through currents.
I guess. Is that a good thing?
I guess.
I guess let's go to the cave entrance.